Thinking about becoming a notary in Florida? This guide covers the key requirements, including the mandatory course and costs. The most important thing to know about becoming a notary in Florida is that there's no exam. Unlike many other states, you don't have to pass a test. However, all first-time applicants must complete a mandatory 3-hour education course within 1 year of applying. The good news? The Florida Department of State offers this course completely free online. This accessible path is why Florida has one of the highest numbers of active notaries in the nation, with nearly 500,000 commissioned. Before you apply, you must meet a few key eligibility requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and a legal resident of Florida. You also can't have any disqualifying felony convictions. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, your first concrete step is to secure a $7,500 surety bond. This bond isn't for your protection. It protects the public from financial harm due to notary errors. This bond must be maintained for your entire 4-year commission term and typically costs between $30 and $50. In Florida, you don't submit your application directly to the state. Instead, you must work with an approved bonding agency, which will provide the official forms and submit them for you. The total state application fee is $39, which covers the application, commission, and a surcharge. Unlike in many other states, your commission is officially appointed by the governor, not the Secretary of State. The entire approval process, from submission by your agency to receiving your commission, typically takes 4 to 8 weeks. Once your commission is approved, you must get an official notary seal before you can perform any acts. Florida law is very specific about the seal's design. It must be a rubber stamp that uses photographically reproducible black ink. The seal must include 4 key elements: your name exactly as commissioned, the title Notary Public State of Florida, your unique commission number, and your commission expiration date. While a journal is strongly recommended for traditional notarizations, it isn't legally required, which is an important distinction. As a notary, you must follow a strict fee schedule. The maximum you can charge is $10 for most standard notarial acts, like an acknowledgement or a jurat. You can charge up to $30 to solemnize a marriage. It's equally important to know what you cannot do. Florida law prohibits you from notarizing your own signature or documents for immediate family members, including a spouse, parent, or child. You also cannot notarize any document where you have a financial interest in the transaction. Florida is a leader in remote online notarization, or RON, which allows you to notarize documents for clients anywhere in the world using audio-video technology. To become a RON, you must first be a traditional notary. Then you'll complete a separate RON course, pay a $10 registration fee, and obtain a higher $25,000 surety bond, plus $25,000 in errors and omissions insurance. While it requires extra steps, RON opens up a much larger market beyond your local area. Becoming a Florida notary is an accessible goal, especially with no exam requirement. The key is understanding the process, from the free education course to the final commission. If you're ready to take the next step or want to dive deeper into the specific laws, prohibited acts, and RON procedures, visit our full guide at open-examprep.com. We offer free study materials and resources to help you succeed on your professional journey.